space. There's Hindustan Zinc, Indian Metals and Ferroalloys or IMFA at day's high. Nigel is here to tell us what's aiding this move. Nigel?
Well, that's right. Earlier this morning we had highlighted that two stocks could potentially be in focus. One would be, Hindustan Zinc, and the other one would be IMFA. Let's address Hindustan Zinc first. That one has moved high and it's holding with some gains today. Why is that? Silver prices on the verge of going to a fresh all-time high. Remember, it went to that ballpark $55 per ounce odd, and then we saw a bit of a correction on silver. Now, silver's back out there, various factors at play, whether it's with regard to the consumption or whether it's with regard to a bit of a supply deficiency in the market or even the much-awaited Fed rate cut. Put all that together, silver is doing well, and Hindustan Zinc is the only listed play to play silver out here. So that's why that stock is holding up. To give you a number, more than 40-45% of its total EBIT number comes in from silver. So that's about Hindustan Zinc. Next, moving to IMFA. And, across, for the last 18 months or so, we have been highlighting this point that chrome ore prices are moving up. And because of that, ferrochrome prices could get some sort of a base. Now, in addition to that, there are some smelters that actually have been shut down. Case in point being, a couple of global smelters. You have Saman Core Chrome, which has announced that they will be gradually shutting down. They're giving a one-time to their employees as well. So a couple of their facilities will be shut down. And Glencore Mirafe, they have already gone ahead and shut down some of their furnaces. So basically, globally, ferrochrome players, they are finding it very unviable to go ahead and produce ferrochrome with the elevated cost of production. Now, so that's why there'll be lower ferrochrome production in the globe. But you'll say that China will produce more, right? So China could probably make up for that shortfall, but China has an export tax out there. So that's not going to change the global dynamics with regard to ferrochrome. Net-net, IMFA stands to gain because on the cost of production front, they don't get hit. They're backward integrated, chrome ore from their own mines. So that's why they'll enjoy the higher pricing of ferrochrome and not get hit on the cost of production. Explains why IMFA is up because of a shortfall in global capacity, while Hindustan Zinc is gaining because silver prices are doing quite well. Back to you.
Well, thank you so much, Nigel, for joining in and giving us all the details on the developments as far as the metal space is concerned. Well, we'll now slip into a short break. We'll get you more on the markets and stock-specific action on the other side. Stay tuned.